Polls here opened just a little bit late. We're told that there were some technical difficulties. The elections director here in Baltimore County says she sent some backup in to get things back in track. And you can see that it's very much back on track. It's actually quite quiet here. We still see the poll workers here working hard, and the crowd has thinned quite a bit. Much different scene from what we saw earlier this morning. A line out the door with dozens of people waiting to cast their vote at Newtown High School Tuesday morning. Jonathan Coleman got in line early, but the doors to the polls opened late.
So people got a little bit restless, but most people stayed patient and we were able to make it through.
This was the only location that we had this problem. There was when they power up the poll books, which are the computers that we use to run the polling places, it didn't connect to the internet, and then the other computers didn't connect to that on the first try. So we had to use the tried and true method of unplugging it and plugging it back in.
With a little troubleshooting, poll workers got things back on track as they moved through the long line of voters ready to make their voices heard.
My goodness, it was beautiful. I'm so thrilled that there were a mob of people. I'd never seen it go out the door before.
And right across the street at Newtown Elementary School, another line before the polls even opened. Another sign of enthusiastic voters.
But I think showing up at the polls on voting day is important to actually show a good turnout, and also for people to know that it's okay to vote and you should vote because it's your voice. So I think that's the most important thing, is you have a choice.
And you have until 8 p.m. to make that choice. Remember, you must go to your assigned polling place. If you need help figuring that out, we have a link in our Maryland Voters Guide that's on our website, WBALTV.com. Another thing, you are able to register here at the polls today. You just need to bring an ID, driver's license, something else to prove where you live. And last but not least, if you still have a mail-in ballot, remember that must be postmarked or dropped in a drop box by 8 p.m. this evening. Live in Owings Mills, I'm Brianna Ross, WBAL TV 11 News.